What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and behind me I've got our Ford Bronco on the lift. We're going to be lifting this bad boy with the Beltec 0 to 4 inch Trail Performance Lift Kit. When it comes to quality suspension components at an affordable price, Beltec is the answer. This lift kit is designed and engineered right here in the United States to give you ultimate performance and ride quality. The improvement in ride quality is surprisingly noticeable for a lift kit in this price range. So we're deciding to run the Beltec 0 to 4 inch lift kit for a variety of reasons. One, it is adjustable. We're going to be shooting for 3.5 inches on the lift. Two, it's relatively affordable compared to a lot of the other shocks and coilovers on the market. And three, quite frankly, it's what we could get our hands on, and we just want to prove that it's a great value for your money. To go along with this lift kit, we are going to also be installing the Zone upper control arms, just so we can make sure all of our alignments are in spec. So as I mentioned, this lift is adjustable from the 0 to 4 inch range. You can adjust your height by using these rings right here. However, that does not make it adjustable on the car. You're going to have to pull the suspension if you want to adjust the height. However, for a quality product in this price range, we think it's worth it because, let's be honest, how often are you going to be adjusting your height once you have it set?
As you can see here, the Zone upper control arms are designed to accept the OEM ball joints. This may put a wrinkle in your plan if you plan on completing this install at home. This is because the ball joints will need to be removed from the stock control arms and transferred over to your new Zone upper control arms using a hydraulic press. This kit does come with the adapter needed to safely remove and install the ball joint using a press. That being said, if you do not have a press at home, you will need to find some outside help.
So here's the shock side by side with the stock unit. As you can see, we have the ring set for our desired height adjustment. Like I said, we're shooting for about 3.5 inches of lift. Another awesome thing about this lift kit is that, in theory, it is the last lift kit you will need to buy for your Bronco. So if you want to do multiple stages of your build, you just have to buy the lift kit once and you're done. So if you just want to start with a leveling kit, you can just set the appropriate amount of spacers in there to give yourself a level. However, if later on down the road you get a bigger set of wheels and tires, let's say 35s or 37s, you can take the suspension off, you can put the rings on to adjust for a higher lift, and there you go. You have your 3.5, 4 inches of lift. We couldn't just lift the Bronco and not address the wheels and tires, so we went ahead and picked us up some Method MR314s and wrapped them in 35-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss MTZ tires. Let's check it out. Alright guys, that's going to just about wrap this video up. We really hope you enjoyed it, and we hope that you enjoy our Beltec lift and our brand new Method wheels wrapped in Mickey Thompson tires. If you do, leave us a comment, let us know what your favorite part is. If you got anything else to say, drop a comment, we'd love to hear from you. If you guys like the video, make sure you're smashing that like button. If you want to see more Bronco content, make sure you subscribe and have the notification bell clicked, and we'll see you next time.